Show me who bears resemblance to the Senju clan and its descendants. Your skills were meant for something like the 10th Ninja War I am fronting. Sharingan with the Mangekyo opens a badass Taijutsu. Darkest soul, my heart so cold that a half-mask has one hole. Because all I need is one eye. Genkai. Even though I might die, they still call me Uchiha Madara. All I need is one eye. Genkai. Even though I might die, they still call me Uchiha Madara. As they now fall in position, they consider me an S-rank mission. But I'm worse than that. Imagine my use of a blade of grass. On so low, I'll blitz on the surface. I'm on a mission, fueled by a purpose. Suddenly something surprising. Death silhouettes on the horizon. Plunge a kunai into my own thigh. Lunge at the slow shinobi senpai. Limbs get flung, here is the drama. Split oxygen, I drag my katana. On my ace, I stand my ground. I buried them 6 fathoms down. Motion swift as an eagle. On my worst day, I am still lethal. All I need is one eye. Am I getting